This is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of my new listings. This is a very nice, well-maintained 2019 Boston Whaler 32 Vantage. So what we'll do, we'll go through the boat, point out some of the cool features. The 32 Vantage by far is one of Boston Whaler's best-selling models. It's kind of a sport activity vessel, if you will. Great family boat, great cruising boat for longer trips, Keys, Bahamas, things like that. Tons of room, tons of storage. Excellent performance with the Mercury 350s here. Horsepower to weight ratio is excellent. This one only has about 120 hours on it. It is joystick docking. So docking the boat's very easy and joystick piloting, if you will. Also incorporated into that is going to be your autopilot and skyhook. And the skyhook's pretty cool because if you're waiting for a bridge, get your dock lines together, you can push a button to keep the boat stationary. So we just had the boat totally detailed. I apologize about the car traffic here. Detail came out beautiful. The boat was inside stored. So we'll go through some of the cool features on it. Standard's going to be your dive door right here. This one also has the really nice aft sunshade. Optional joystick right here with the white Verados, waterfront property. So this also has the fish package, which gives you your rod holders in the back. Also has the rocket launchers up there for circulating bait well. This one has raw water wash down, fresh water wash down, great seating all the way around, great storage all the way around. This porch seat's pretty cool, so if you're doing some entertaining or stuff at the dock, it makes it very nice for additional seating there. This one has your isotherm refrigerator, nice wet bar, digital throttle and shift. This is our joystick control, autopilot built into that, and skyhook that we talked about. Once again, about 120 hours, 125 hours in the motors. Big 16-inch Raymarine GPS chart plotter, 9-inch vessel view, fusion stereo. This one has the active trim right here. Trim tabs, the active trim will trim the motors up and down. Nice little bunk room on this side. And the bunk room will give you, hold on just a second, a lot of room for storage and things along that line. I've got the canvas in there right now. It also comes with a cockpit tonneau cover, fully enclosed head on this side. You get a nice little sink in there. The head's a vacuum flush, overboard discharge, dockside discharge. Heavy duty windshield all the way around. Very comfortable seating up front. And of course you've got a windlass here. This one has the beach boarding ladder where you can go off the front of the boat. So if you're at the island or something, or at the beach, it makes it real easy to get off the front of the boat or the stern. Beautiful big hard top. That's what a lot of people like about the boat, is all the protection. So even if you're doing longer trips and things along that line, with the dual console, gives you a lot more protection from the weather and from the sun. So anyways, recap, 2019 Boston Whaler 32 Vantage, located at MarineMax in Venice. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. I'm the listing broker. There's my information right there. And boat's going to be marketed at $339,000. Located here at MarineMax in Venice. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give me a call. My number is 941-376-3345. Thank you for taking the time, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.